Hi there, welcome to Talk Canicross. I'm Janetta George.
And I'm Gail Walker. We're here today to talk all things Canicross, the fun way to get fit with your dog.
So each month we'll be joined by a special guest or two. We'll hear from professionals, regular Canicrossers, and also dog and human experts in their field. It will be real people and real stories.
So we hope you'll join us, whether it's for training tips, dog talk, or just for fun and encouragement. This is Talk Canicross, brought to you by DogFit. And don't forget to hit subscribe and keep in touch with all things Canicross. Running with your dog is one of the best pastimes in our humble opinion, and even better when you do it with like-minded people. But what about when you want to take it to that next level? And by that, we mean racing with your dog. Perhaps you've already booked up some Canicross races for the year ahead, or you're deliberating about whether to take the plunge for the very first time. Well, in this episode, we're talking all about Canicross events. And we're really pleased to be joined by Run Series